Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Mind podcast.
Hello, friends. Nice to see you again.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Mind podcast. I am Sarah, and I am very happy today because we are going to talk about something really important for everyone: how to talk about feelings in English.
Hi, friends. I am John, and I feel excited too. Talking about feelings is something we all do every day, and today we will show you how to say what you feel in a simple and natural way, even if your English is still beginner level.
Yes, John, feelings are everywhere in our lives, and sometimes we feel shy or nervous when we try to explain them in another language. But don't worry, today we will make it easy and friendly, like a real conversation between two friends.
Absolutely. I remember when I first tried to talk about my feelings in English, I felt nervous and worried. I thought maybe I would use the wrong word, or maybe people would not understand me, and that made me feel anxious.
I feel the same. At first, I wanted to say, I feel happy or I feel sad, but sometimes I forgot the words. I felt frustrated, but then I realized that using simple sentences is enough. Even short phrases can show real feelings.
Exactly. And that is why today we will create a warm and safe space where everyone can feel comfortable. We will laugh, we will share, and we will show that feelings can be expressed in simple English without stress.
Yes, and we will talk about positive feelings, negative feelings, mixed feelings, and how to respond to others' emotions, all in clear, easy words that everyone can understand.
Before we start with examples, Sarah, how do you feel today?
I feel a little tired because I woke up early, but I feel happy and excited because I can speak to our listeners. I also feel calm and peaceful because I enjoy our work and this friendly conversation.
That is nice. I feel relaxed because I had a quiet morning. I feel grateful because we can do this podcast together. And I feel happy because talking about feelings is always warm and useful.
Aw, that is so kind, John. I hope our listeners feel calm and motivated too, because learning English should feel like a conversation with a friend, not a stressful lesson.
Yes, exactly. Listening to real examples can give courage, especially when learners feel shy to express emotions in English.
Right. Let's start with a simple example dialogue. Imagine we're just two friends talking naturally. John, how do you feel today?
I feel happy because we are speaking together. I feel calm because everything around us is quiet. And I feel excited because I have many examples to share with our listeners.
I feel the same. I feel grateful because I can help our listeners. I feel cheerful because sharing feelings is always nice. And I feel relaxed because speaking in simple words is easy and clear.
And remember, even small words like happy, calm, excited, worried, and tired are enough. You can also add a reason. For example, I feel happy because I received a message from a friend. Or I feel tired because I worked a lot.
Exactly. Positive feelings can be expressed like this: I feel happy because I spoke with my friend, or I feel excited because I have a new project. Simple and easy.
Calm feelings are also easy. I feel relaxed because I listen to music. Or I feel peaceful because the weather is quiet. Natural and easy.
Proud feelings: I feel proud because I learned something new, or I feel proud because I helped someone. Very encouraging and simple.
Sad or worried feelings: I feel sad because I miss my family. Or I feel worried because I have a test tomorrow. Honest and clear.
Tired feelings: I feel tired because I worked a lot today, or I feel sleepy because I stayed up late. Very common in daily life.
Angry feelings: I am angry because someone did not keep their promise. Or I feel frustrated because things are difficult. Polite, but honest.
Mixed feelings: I feel happy but a little tired, or I feel excited but also nervous. Shows real emotions and complexity.
And responding to others' feelings is important. If someone says, I feel sad, you can say, I understand. I feel that too sometimes. Or, I feel sorry that you feel sad. This shows kindness and empathy.
Positive response: if someone says, I feel happy because I received good news, you can say, I feel happy for you, or that is wonderful, I feel excited too, spreads positivity.
Tired or stressed response. If someone says, I feel tired, you can say, I understand. I feel tired too sometimes. Or maybe you need a little rest. I feel that too. Friendly and caring.
Sharing small stories is very useful. I feel happy because I helped a friend, or I feel proud because I finished a task. Longer, but still simple.
Calm or peaceful feelings. I feel calm because I listen to music. Or I feel peaceful because the weather is quiet. Natural and easy.
Funny or playful feelings. I feel silly because I made a mistake, or I feel playful because I am laughing with friends. Shows personality and warmth.
Nervous feelings. I feel nervous because I will speak in front of my class. Or I feel shy because I am meeting new people. Honest and understandable.
Mixed emotions. I feel happy but also tired, or I feel excited and also nervous. Realistic and natural.
Short phrases work too. I feel good. I feel bad. I feel okay. Perfect for beginners.
Adding small details helps. I feel happy because I saw a beautiful flower, or I feel calm because I heard birds singing. Descriptive and natural.
Feelings change during the day. I felt tired this morning, but now I feel happy. Or I felt nervous before class, but now I feel relaxed. Very natural in real conversation.
That's why practicing all types of feelings is important. It helps learners feel confident speaking about emotions anywhere.
Now we can continue showing longer friendly dialogues with responses, mixed emotions, and natural examples. This is very helpful for learners.
Now we will continue our conversation about feelings and show more examples of how to speak naturally in English.
Yes, Sarah, and I feel excited because we still have so many emotions to share and so many practical sentences to show so our listeners can feel confident using them.
Exactly. Let's start by talking about feelings that change during the day. I feel a little nervous sometimes in the morning, but I feel calm and happy later. And I feel grateful that I can practice English with a friend.
I feel the same. Sometimes I feel worried or stressed, but then I feel peaceful and cheerful when I talk about my day and share my emotions with someone.
And this is why it is so important to respond to other people's feelings. If someone says, I feel tired, you can say, I understand. I feel tired sometimes too. Or, I hope you can rest soon. I feel that too sometimes.
Yes, empathy is very important. If someone says, I feel happy because I received good news, you can say, I feel happy for you. Or, that's wonderful. I feel excited too. It spreads positivity and connection.
Positive feelings are easy to share. You can say, I feel happy because I spoke with a friend, or I feel excited because I have a new project. These are simple, clear, and useful in daily life.
Calm feelings are easy too. I feel relaxed because I listened to music. Or, I feel peaceful because I finished my work. Simple, short, and clear.
Proud feelings. I feel proud because I learned something new, or I feel proud because I helped someone. It's always encouraging.
Worried or sad feelings. I feel sad because I miss my family. Or, I feel worried because I have a test tomorrow. Honest and easy to understand.
Tired feelings. I feel tired because I worked a lot today, or I feel sleepy because I stayed up late. Everyone can relate to that.
Angry feelings. I feel angry because someone did not keep their promise. Or, I feel frustrated because things are difficult. Polite and honest.
Mixed feelings. I feel happy but a little tired, or I feel excited but also nervous. Shows realistic and natural emotions.
Short phrases are good too. I feel good. I feel bad. I feel okay. Perfect for beginners.
Adding a reason makes sentences longer and more natural. I feel happy because I received a message from a friend, or I feel tired because I worked a lot today.
And small details make sentences even better. I feel happy because I saw a bird. Or I feel calm because the weather is quiet. Descriptive and very natural.
Playful or funny feelings. I feel silly because I made a mistake, or I feel playful because I am joking with a friend. Shows personality and warmth.
Nervous feelings. I feel nervous because I will speak in front of my class. Or I feel shy because I'm meeting new people. Honest and understandable.
And sometimes feelings change fast. I felt tired this morning, but now I feel happy. Or I felt nervous before a task, but now I feel relaxed. Natural in conversation.
Mixed emotions are normal. I feel excited but also nervous, or I feel happy but a little tired. Realistic and natural.
Responding to others' feelings is very important. If someone says, I feel sad, you can say, I understand, I feel that too, or I feel sorry for you. Shows empathy.
And positive response. If someone says, I feel happy, you can say, I feel happy for you, or I'm glad you feel happy. Friendly and warm.
Tired or stressed response. If someone says, I feel tired, you can say, I understand, I feel tired sometimes too, or I hope you can rest soon. Caring and polite.
Sharing small stories helps too. I feel happy because I helped a friend, or I feel proud because I finished a task. Longer but simple.
Calm or peaceful feelings. I feel calm because I listen to music, or I feel peaceful because everything is quiet. Natural and clear.
Funny or playful feelings. I feel silly because I spilled something, or I feel playful because I'm laughing with a friend. Makes English lively.
Nervous feelings. I feel nervous because I will speak in front of a class, or I feel shy because I am meeting new people. Honest and relatable.
Sometimes you can combine feelings. I feel happy but also tired, or I feel nervous and excited. Shows real-life emotions.
And small phrases. I feel good. I feel okay. I feel fine. Simple, easy, and effective.
Adding a reason makes sentences even better. I feel happy because I got a message from a friend, or I feel tired because I studied a lot today.
Small details help too. I feel happy because I saw a bird, or I feel calm because I heard the wind. Make sentences natural.
Changing feelings through the day. I felt tired this morning, but now I feel happy. Or I felt nervous before a task, but now I feel relaxed. Realistic conversation.
And these examples help learners feel confident speaking about emotions anywhere, anytime. We've been talking about feelings, and now let's keep going with more examples. Let's share some real-life situations where talking about feelings is super useful and give you even more phrases to practice.
Yes, and it's so exciting to know that everyone is learning to express themselves more confidently in English. I feel proud of our listeners.
Absolutely. It's amazing to see how even simple words like happy, sad, tired, or excited can make a huge difference when we share our emotions. I'm feeling very inspired today because of how easy it can be to talk about your feelings in English.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. When you start practicing with these simple phrases, it's like you unlock a whole new way of communicating. You get to share more of who you are, and people really understand you better.
And that's exactly why we're here, to make learning natural and fun. So let's continue by talking about how to use emotions in different situations. You can use feelings to express what's happening in your day, like, I feel good because I went for a walk, or I feel happy because I saw a friend after a long time.
Yes, and those small moments are really important. For example, you can say, I feel excited because I'm going on vacation next week, or I feel nervous because I have an interview tomorrow. Just like that, you're sharing your true emotions, and it's so easy.
And when things are going a bit wrong, you can say, I feel frustrated because I lost my keys, or I feel disappointed because I didn't get the job I wanted. It's okay to feel negative emotions too.
Exactly. Feelings don't always have to be positive. They're real, and they're part of life. You can also say, I feel a bit stressed because I have a lot of work to do, or I feel sad because I miss my family. It's all part of being honest with yourself and others.
And when you feel both happy and sad at the same time, you can share mixed emotions. Like, I feel happy because I finished my project, but I feel sad because it's over. Or I feel excited and nervous because I'm starting something new. Mixed feelings are totally normal.
Absolutely. Mixed feelings are part of life, and they help us connect even deeper with people. You can also say things like, I feel happy but also a little tired, or I feel nervous but excited about this new challenge.
And when you respond to someone who's sharing their feelings, it's nice to be supportive. For example, if a friend says, I feel nervous because I have a big presentation, you can say, I understand. I feel nervous too before speaking in front of people. Or, you'll do great. I feel excited for you.
That's a great point. Being kind and supportive with your words helps people feel better, and it makes your English sound even warmer and more natural.
Yes, and it's so important to remember that no matter what emotions you have, they are valid. I feel angry because I don't like the traffic, or I feel calm because everything is going well today. All these feelings are part of your experience, and that's beautiful.
Right. It's about being honest with your emotions. Whether you're saying, I feel thankful because I learned something new, or I feel overwhelmed because I have too many things to do, you're expressing yourself clearly and with confidence.
And it's not just about talking to others, but also talking to yourself. You can say, I feel proud of myself because I finished a difficult task, or I feel good about how I handled a tough situation. It's nice to recognize your own progress.
Definitely. When you start using these sentences regularly, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to express yourself in English, and the more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
Absolutely. You don't need to worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to practice and share what you're feeling. That's what makes your English sound more authentic.
And remember, feelings aren't just words. You can also express your feelings with your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. A smile when you say, I feel happy, makes your words even more powerful.
That's right, John. And showing your feelings in different ways makes conversations much richer. For example, when someone says, I feel excited, you can hear it in their voice or see it in their smile. This is how real communication works.
And another tip I want to give to our listeners is to use your feelings to connect with people. For example, I feel happy because I'm meeting new people, or I feel excited because I'm learning something new. Sharing feelings is a great way to build connections.
That's such a great tip, John. And when you want to talk about how you feel with someone you trust, you can say things like, I feel safe when I'm with my friends, or I feel comfortable talking to you. This makes your conversation even more personal and intimate.
Absolutely. And feeling comfortable with the language is key. The more you practice saying how you feel, the easier it becomes to use those words in real-life situations, like at work or in class.
Yes, and before we finish today's episode, let's share one last piece of advice. If you ever feel unsure about expressing your emotions in English, just start simple. Begin with, I feel, and then add whatever emotion you're feeling. It's a great way to begin.
I agree. And don't worry about being perfect. Language is all about communication, and as long as you're expressing yourself honestly, people will understand you.
Exactly. And remember, there are so many ways to express how you feel in English. Don't be afraid to experiment with new phrases. And most importantly, don't be afraid to share your true emotions.
And that's what makes conversations real. Whether it's sharing joy, sadness, or excitement, the important thing is that we're connecting through our feelings.
Well, friends, it's time to wrap up this episode of the English Mind podcast. We hope today's tips and examples have helped you feel more confident talking about your feelings in English.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel. Just keep practicing and sharing what you're feeling. That's what makes your English sound more authentic.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please don't forget to support the English Mind podcast. Your support helps us continue to create friendly and simple lessons for you.
That's right. We're so grateful for your support. Keep practicing, keep sharing your feelings, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process of learning English.
Thank you again for being with us today. We'll see you in the next episode where we'll bring you more useful tips and lively conversations.
Take care, friends, and remember, feelings are powerful, so share them with the world.
Bye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.